This is the notes, and there will be an assignment that goes with it. The first blank, solid is the sum of the area of all its faces, and I would say faces, no bases, is lateral surface area. And I say faces, no bases, or base. When you include the base, that is total surface area. And I will reiterate that total surface area is always bigger than lateral surface area. L, I just say it's lazy. I'm gonna wrap the whole thing. I'm gonna not wrap the bases, and I'll show a demonstration when I get back. On this one, on the other lesson, we did prisms. This one is going to focus on pyramids. On pyramids, you have a base that goes to a tippy top, but what it is, any pyramid is a base surrounded by triangles. So you are going to have to get good at doing the area of a triangle, and this is where I'm going to emphasize where you're going to have the base and the height, and if you do the base and the height, it will be the area of a triangle if you take half of it. So if I'm going to, both of these figures are the same shape. One is the net, so you could do by composite. The other one is the figure, and we'll learn how to do those later. So name of the figure, you're going to name it by the base, so it's a square. And because it is a square surrounded by triangles, it is a pyramid. And I am going to say lateral surface areas, 4 of them. And that's half times 7 times 10. So it's, doing the math, it would be 2 times 70, which would be 140 inches squared. The area of the base is a square, which is 7 times 7, which is 49 inches squared. So the total surface area is 189 inches squared because I'm adding the lateral plus the base. You're going to, on this one, you're going to have to start looking for some hidden Pythagorean theorems. Also, when this guy is called a perpendicular, this guy right here is called a perpendicular bisector, and what it is it comes from the apex of the triangle perpendicular to the side, and it also splits the side in half. And if you look at that, this is a triple of a 5, 12, 13. So this piece is 10, and this piece is 10, and this piece is 10. So the name of the figure, it has a base of a triangle, and it is surrounded by triangles, so it's a pyramid. And the lateral surface area is 3 of them, and it's 1/2 base times height, which is 10 times 13. So it is 15 times 13. I was trying to see another way if I could do it, but that's okay. Which is 150 and 45, which is lateral is 195 units squared. The area of the base is 1/2 of 8.7 times 10, which is 8.7 times 10 is 87, and then half of it is 43.5, which is 43.5 units squared. So the total of it is 238.5 units squared. And literally that is what you are doing on surface area of pyramids. Please pay attention of any time you have a triangle, look for this. So it would be the base and the height. Sometimes you will have a slant height, and you will have a eight and a 10. You would know that this is 6, and then this entire piece is 12, and then so it's 1/2 8 times 12. Be on the lookout for that. Please do not use the 10 in your area, because bases and heights in figures for areas always have to be perpendicular.